In this Passive GPT review, I'm going to be showing you a software and training from guys that are actually using AI to help them make money in their business. They say that you can use a Siri-like voice plugin that will make them $165 when they hit play. Of course, I'm going to tell you what this is and what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Passive GPT, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a bunch of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says plug Chat GPT into Planet Earth with a Siri-like voice plugin that makes $389, $370, $380. When we hit play, finally give Chat GPT streaming access to Spotify. It looks like that changed as well. Voice notes, etc., etc. So essentially, this is a software that they're using in order to they're saying in order to make extra money with it. I do want to tell you though, just because you use the software doesn't mean it's going to magically start making you money. Like, this is just a tool in your business. Sure, these guys make a lot of money online, but this is just a tool. This is just something to use alongside with your other stuff. They've got a bunch of different training in here on how they've been actually using AI to help in their business. I find more value in that than I do in simply the software, because it's just a tool, like I said, and it's not going to magically make you money. I don't want you to ever think that. It says it includes a software. It's a cloud-based software here. They get it preloaded with different prompts for you. Find content, sales video, YouTube shows that talk about your topic and product, and then watch as ChatGPT records and transcribes the MP3, turns it into a prompt, and delivers a response based on the audio it heard. So it's essentially taking other content and repurposing that content in order to be able to drive sales with it. So you're actually able to make content from other content. It's kind of an interesting concept here, but again, I never want you to think there's like some magic button to making money online. There isn't. I wish there was. I would hit it over and over again, but there isn't. It has different case studies inside of here, video training, affiliate profit training, traffic, product service training. Here's affiliate commissions, product and service traffic, all these different things included inside here. They include a bunch of different stuff with this different software. You can kind of see here, you get the new recording, stop recording, combine voice and chat. And they say generate $105 paydays in just 4 minutes. But again, I don't want you to think that. Like, these are pretty big claims, and they show big screenshots here. It gets people excited, but at the end of the day, all these things are tools for your business. Now, if you do purchase this, you're going to get access to a bunch of different stuff here. I am going to go ahead and show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Imagine making huge profits with ChatGPT. This summer, 100% passively. On autopilot, without doing a thing. In fact, all you need to do is hit play and let the AI do the rest. This strange new trick does not involve any writing. It does not involve any original thinking, but it does involve a new technology, a new AI technology that gives ChatGPT access to Planet Earth, presenting Passive GPT, an automated new way to make AI commissions, something easy, something different. Just watch how easy it is. Step 1. First, we find some form of audio content. It could be a TV show that's playing right now, a YouTube video you just watched, or even yourself talking into the mic. Hit play. Step 2. Now load up the AI Voices app. Hit record. The AI is now listening intently, absorbing hundreds of words a minute. While you do nothing, indulge a hobby, take a break, but don't do a thing. Just return at some point and hit stop. Step 3. Finally, we load up Passive AI and paste the transcription the AI just made you. The AI will now analyze your transcription and turn it into a new piece of content. An email, a piece of copy, a campaign, invented from the passive audio that washes over us all day. Oh, and we're even including our Infinite AI app. So when you get tired of making money with our presets, you can go ahead and create your own GPT-powered apps. So there you have it. It's time to take your profits to the next level, exclusively with Passive GPT. So hit the button now, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area. They've got a quick start PDF here. Then they have a place for you to actually get access to the software. You can download it onto your computer. Then they've got some more stuff here, some more training here on using voice AI and Passive GPT software, using the Infinite AI software. Another one here. They've got extra training here, and all these different things included. Case studies showing how they're able to do like affiliate reviews using the power of AI, Upwork and Freelancer case study, ClickBank one, webinar replay case study, all kinds of different things included inside of here. So a lot of extra value that they add inside of their product. Now there are multiple upgrades. First one is a Pro one. This is going to give you, it says you get more. I think you get more features and stuff with this one. So it's just an extra optional upgrade. Next one is they'll set it up for you. The next one is Swipe Unlimited AI Graphics for any niche product or website. Then they've got one here, you can build a new software using nothing but Chat GPT. Then they've got one for creating Chat GPT videos. And then they've got a reseller license and some different other training, some loophole thing here. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Passive GPT and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, really hypey on the sales page, claiming to make all this money, clicking buttons and blah, blah, blah. Like I said before, that never actually happens. You don't click a button and make money magically, unless you like click a button and you send an email to your email list, right? Like that's about as easy as it can get there. So just be aware of that whenever you purchase something like this. What do I like about it? I find a lot of value in their case studies. I find a lot of value in their extra stuff that they include with this. This is packed full of a bunch of different stuff for a very low price. If it's caught your interest and you want to check it out, then go for it. Thank you so much for checking out my Passive GPT review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Thanks.